so that this cell will divide and this cell will have the same characteristics. Let me just make the drawing a bit different. This is the nucleus I'm drawing, and inside there is the chromosome which have the DNA which will define the characteristics of this cell. Okay, so now this cell is about to divide. When it's about to divide, what will first happen is the chromosomes will double up. That means this was the chromosome. It just double up. What do I mean by it just double up? Example is, if this was DNA X, this was DNA 2, this was DNA A, B, C, this was DNA 1, 2, 3, the same DNA would have formed here. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 2, and X. Donald, can I say that they duplicate or Donald? Because it looks like they duplicate, correct? But the perfect word will not be the word duplicate. The perfect word is for you to say it has replicate. Replica. Oh, I got a vase at home and I got another vase which is a replica, which means it is identical to that vase. Example. You understand what I mean? Okay. So what would have happened here is the chromosomes would have doubled up. So actually what will happen is, when this cell is about to divide, okay, I will show you, this is the centriole, there is a pair. What would happen is, one of the centriole will slowly move towards the opposite, and at the same time, the nucleus would have opened up. Now what will happen is, the spindle fiber forms from the centriole to the chromosomes, but I want you to understand that it's each capturing or grabbing or holding one chromosome. So what will happen now, this will be pulled that side. This will be pulled that side. The spindle fiber is pulling it. The spindle fiber actually will become shortened. The centriole will pull the spindle fiber. Okay. So now the chromosomes, let me take out that spindle fiber. We don't need that. Okay. Basically, the chromosomes have now separated to each side. The spindle fiber would have become short. And what will happen next? What will happen next is that the cell will now begin to divide actually. Which means this becomes one cell, this becomes one cell, another nucleus will form there, another nucleus will form there. So I have two cells in there. And both the cell have got the same chromosome and DNA. Which means both the cell characteristics will be the same. You all understand? So the centriole and the spindle fibers function was mainly to separate this chromosome